guys, welcome to our channel. We are two gringos on the go. Jennifer and Daryl. We're out rental hunting here in Huachuco. Whoa. Oh, the puppy over there. Huachuco, Oaxaca, Mexico. Look at this guy. Look at this little guy, eh? Okay, let's go. It's hot out. Hot, hot, hot. He's hot. Alright, chicos, we're gonna go check out this little blue house here. Parking's out front, I guess. I don't think my car would fit in there. Nice entranceway though, very nice. Seems like a nice peaceful neighborhood here. I can park here, got shade here, so I think we're waiting for somebody. I do believe. We're early, so no big deal. Okay, so we'll go check out this place, guys.
I'll let you go first.
Oh, oh, it's nice, fresh. Oh, geez. Ay, 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 ay. Oh, very nice, nice furniture.
Fresca.
I like the wood. Very nice. Sorry about the dog. Nice kitchen. Very nice.
¿Agua caliente? No. No. ¿Propane es para gas? Yes. Sí. Para... Oh, estufa.
Oh, they got hot water on demand.
Sí. But it's not hooked up, Daryl.
It's not hooked up. Oh. Oh. Oy, ay, 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 ay. Okay.
Es una bodega.
Ah. Oh, so there is hot water on demand, but it's not hooked up. Okay, small little house. There's a 1-bedroom. It's hot in here. Pink. Cute little house, though. Very cute. Clean. Oh, look at the door. Very cool. I like that. You don't see that every day. Old school. All the doors are like that. Very cool. Oh, big bedroom. So this is the only room with AC. Got a skylight. And the AC is new. Access to the roof. Oh, it's got a little patio up here. Ah, for your clothesline. Very cool. All right. Oh, for your laundry. Nice. Very nice. All right. Again, no hot water. There is hot water on demand, but it's not hooked up. I don't know if I mentioned, but they said this place was 15,000 pesos. So it is a cute place. We inquire about the internet. Oh, is that a bathroom in there?
No.
Oh, just closet?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So there's a closet there. Big one, actually. Oh. Ooh. Oh. Grande. You see how the doors are?
Oh, yeah.
Cool. Oh. Okay, so the hot water is there, but it's only strictly hot water. It's not working very well, she said. So maybe they'll fix it, I don't know. And I do like this place, it's cute. Jennifer's concerned about the AC, because there's no AC down here, it's only in the bedroom. And you have a closet here, I do believe, but it's sticky, that's all. It does open up though. A little closet there. Slides. Oh yeah, there's the internet. She said it's fiber optic internet as well, guys. So I do like the kitchen. It is a very nice place, very nice.
No hay mucho utensilio para.
Alright guys, so we did a speed test on the internet. We're not even getting 15 megabytes per second, so, and it's fiber optics apparently, but she said that we could upgrade it if we wanted and we'll pay for it, so, which is fine. Everything's included, even cleaning as well, and it's 15,000 pesos. So we're gonna look at a few more, guys. You might as well come along with us today. We're gonna do one more for sure here.
Little store right there.
Yeah, little store right there, little mercado. So I do like it. It's a nice house. It's got furniture. It checks off a lot of our list, other than the air conditioner is only in the bedroom. So anyway, guys, let's go. Go look at one more, and then that'll be it. We'll call her a day for you guys anyway. All right, guys, we're gonna go look at an apartment here, 3rd floor, number 21. We're in a apartment complex. It was gated to get in here. I think there's a guard at the gate. It's all apartments. Looks like about 4 blocks of apartments here, or more. Looking for number 21. They all got murals on them. Yeah, lots of apartments here. You figure it's down that way? Oh, 19, yeah. 19, let's go check it out, guys. Oh, we got a little puppy here. Now this place is only 10,000 pesos. There, she's waving up there. She's a waving over there at us. Not top floor, 2nd from the top. So we're right at the edge of Huatuco too, at the edge of the city here. We'll go up. Well, this is it. This is it. All the plants. Hola. Oh, here's the kitchen. Oh, it's got a wash machine too. Oh, a little hot water tank. Kind of cute. Nice. Excelente.
Es que la llave tiene una pequeña gotera, poquita. Las personas que estaban antes hicieron muy feo.
Okay.
Rompieron acá. Y ahorita es lo que viene.
Oh, dining area. Little kitchen. Bedroom number 2. Oh, it's got a little workstation in here. So there you go. There's your bedroom if you come visit. And bedroom number 1, I guess, with the modem in here. But yeah, there's no AC here. There's no AC at all. Okay. There's your modem right there. Small little bedroom, small place. 10,000 pesos though, don't expect much. And the bathroom must be here. The baño. It's a cute little place though. Oops, sorry guys, bouncing me around. Yeah, there's a bathroom. Yeah. Okay. Tiny, it'll do. TV. Nice size fridge. I do like the stove. Nice wooden cupboards. Just a big chair though. Big lazy boy. Yeah, cute little place. Very small for sure. I like the house better, to be honest with you. We could get into the tamale business right here. We can make and sell tamales. That's the smallest hot water tank I've ever seen. It looks like it's, oh no, it's gas. Thought it might be electric, but I do believe I see pipe over there. Yeah, it's gas. Oh, Jen likes that it's got the wash machine though. And there's your gas tank is right there. I do like the stove. Like, it's not a bad cooking area. Okay, well there is a swimming pool here. You pay to go swimming right here, right across the street here. Right across the parking lot, not the street, sorry guys. You can see it there. Oh, that's alright. I don't imagine it's very much. So they kind of share it. As you see, there's nobody in it. Like always. Oh, that's nice though. Absolutely. Nice view up here. Absolutely. So we just walked to the end of the there's laundry here, people's clothes. So this is the suite right here. Right there. So not very far. Alright guys, so the pool's just right there, right across the parking lot here. So we're gonna head back to the casa now, my friends, to our hotel. We got another appointment at 4 when the guy confirms, and he's got 2 to look at, so we'll drop that in the next video, my friends. So let's go for a drive. Beautiful hot day.
Yeah, it's a weekend at the beach.
Eh?
It's a weekend at the beach.
Yeah. Alright guys, that place was pretty small, being an apartment. It's probably not gonna work for us. It's too bad because the lady was super nice. Like a really nice lady. And the price was right too, you know, like 10,000 pesos.
100 meters, turn left.
So as you see, there's the gate there.
Turn left, then turn left.
Yeah, it had everything we needed except,
Yeah.
well, I shouldn't say that. No AC and not good internet.
Yeah, no AC. I don't know, people are driving down this way. Alright Chicos, so we decided to cancel the other 2 appointments that we had as we decided to take the house, my friends. We really liked it, and we liked the neighborhood. There was lots close by. The price was right. It pretty much checked all of our boxes. We realized that hot water just needed a battery in the machine, and that's it. So thank you so much for being here with us today, guys. We really appreciate it. God bless everybody out there. Peace on earth. And as always, be kind to one another. And happy holidays to you and your families, chicos. Adios. Hasta luego.